Hey guys, welcome back. So in this week's video, I want to spotlight a brand new drop shipping wholesale vendor, and we're going to test them out. They sent me a sample, so we are going to check them out for the quality, take a look at the material, and see what we think, maybe even the fit. So let's get started. So one thing that I like to do when I find new wholesale vendors, and specifically drop shipping vendors, is it's really important to order a sample to see for yourself what you think of the product, because the last thing you would want is to send your customers some products that aren't up to standards and have them complain and have negative reviews online and drag your business out. So it's definitely important to, anytime you find a new vendor, to test them out for yourselves. So here we go. So far, it's a really soft material. So this is a dress, and it's definitely a form-fitting dress, which I think will be great. It's going to be really great for, let's say, early spring, late winter. Right now it's January and it is so cold outside, so I'm really looking forward to some warmer weather days. But this is kind of a nice transitional piece for moving from winter to spring. You know, it's a sweater dress, so it'll be perfect when it's still a little chilly, but we want a pop of color because spring is coming. So let's see. So one thing that's really great about this brand, the brand Eprolo, they're a drop shipping brand that allows you to add your own store tag to the brand. So they'll do all the work. They'll add your brand name to the tag, both the sewn in tag as well as the tag that you can attach. This one is a sample, so it's not my brand, but it is a brand that uses this website for their dropshipping needs. So I think that's one of the great features about Eprolo. They let you basically private label their clothes, which is kind of hard to come by when you're looking at dropshipping vendors. Most of them aren't willing to take the time to add your store's name. But that can be such a game changer from a branding perspective when it comes to building loyal customers and increasing sales. So I think overall, I think this is a really nice dress. I like the material. I think it will be the perfect item to include in my store over the next month or two as we transition from winter to spring, and I think I'm a big fan. So I'm going to share their website with you guys down in the comments below so you can check them out. Like I said, it's important for you to try out samples, send them to yourself before moving forward with any drop shipping brand, so you'll definitely want to do that. And let me know what you think if you end up testing out this drop shipping brand. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.